Hi, I'm Steve Houston. Today we've got some models coming into the studio. I'm going to show you how I do my long form charcoal process. This is a technique I developed by looking at Sargent's beautiful and famous charcoal drawings.
Steve Houston is an internationally renowned painter and draftsman who has worked for such clients as Caesars Palace, MGM, Paramount Pictures, and Universal Studios, and has taught drawing and painting at Disney, Warner Brothers, Blizzard Entertainment, and DreamWorks Studios.
So with our models in hand, we're going to get our materials under control, and then I'll do a few spot demos where I do mainly body parts and show you how to apply it to all the different strategies of creating a beautiful figure drawing. So let's get started.